Here we are at 149 Beehive Lane, which is a 3-bedroomed semi-detached family home. Taking you across, got a small front garden leading up to the front door. Going through, you enter straight into a entrance hallway. There's a little understairs cupboard just there, a bit of storage, and it just shows you back towards the front door. Property's got a downstairs cloakroom, and there's also a door leading into the living room. So the living room has windows to 2 sides. And going back out, you kind of come immediately into a dining area, which also has the stairs leading to the first floor. Dining room's got French doors leading to the rear garden. And it also has an open plan kitchen area. So looking at the kitchen, you've got integrated fridge freezer, washing machine, and a single oven hob and extractor, which will all be included. Taking you upstairs. Stairs obviously lead up to first floor. There's a layering cupboard, just the hot water tank. This is the master bedroom. It's also got an ensuite shower room and a double shower cubicle there. There's also a walk-in wardrobe. Second bedroom is also a double. And then you've got bedroom 3, which is a single bedroom. Last room upstairs is the family bathroom. It's just got a white 3-piece suite. And I'll take you back downstairs, show you the rear garden.